Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with a new video. I will teach you how to make a hot. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with another video. I will teach you how to make a new hot handmade sauce. And this sauce is very delicious. You can use it for different type of foods. It will make it spicy. And I usually use it for chips. It's very good when you watch a movie. You can have your snacks. So we need these two sauce. One of them is Diana sauce.
Ooh.
It's a barbecue. And this one is Red Hot Thick Sauce by Frank's. Thank you, Frank. Okay, so now we have both sauce ready, and we also need a bottle like this, empty bottle. I bought this one from Amazon. You can also buy it for cheaper in IKEA, somewhere like that. It's your choice. So we open these. Bit of this one, and we need more of this one. So what we need is a color like this. It's like a dark red or dark orange, something like that. More of this. It should be like this. If you make it brighter, it means you're not doing it correctly.
And also it's spicy.
Yeah.
We're trying to make a balance between the barbecue sauce and the spicy sauce.
So this is our sauce right here. And you just have to put it in this bottle. And you can use it whenever you want with any food you want. And as I already said, I usually use it for chips and the snacks. It's very delicious, and I hope you like it.